Over 200 million people use ChatGPT, but most have no idea it can actually make them money. Let me show you how. Look, I know what you're thinking. ChatGPT, isn't that just for writing essays and asking random questions? That's what I thought too. But here's the thing. While most people are using it to plan their weekend or write poems, there is a whole group of people quietly using this free tool to make $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month. I'm Olamide.oladunni, and today I'm breaking down 5 proven ways you can start making money with ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. No fluff, no BS, just real methods that actually work. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first. What even is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by a company called OpenAI. Think of it like having a super smart assistant that can write, research, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and basically help you with almost any task that involves word. You type in a question or request, we call that a prompt, and ChatGPT gives you an answer. For example, I can ask it, write me 10 Instagram caption ideas about healthy eating for busy professionals. And boom, in seconds, it gives me 10 ready-to-use captions. The crazy part? It's free. Yes, there is a paid version called ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month with extra features, but the free version is more than enough to start making money. Over 200 million people use ChatGPT every month, but most of them are just using it for homework or fun. We are going to use it to actually make money. Before we dive into these money-making methods, let me quickly show you how to set up your account. It takes literally 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. Step 2. Click sign up. Step 3. Enter your email or sign in with Google. Step 4. Verify your email. Step 5. You're in. Once you're logged in, you'll see this simple chat interface. Type your question here, press enter, and ChatGPT responds. That's it. No complicated step, no tech skills needed. Alright, let's get to the money. Method number 1, freelance content writing. Businesses need content. Blog posts, articles, website copy, product descriptions. They are willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $200 per article. The problem? Writing takes time. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let me show you exactly how this works. Say a client needs a blog post about 5 benefits of remote work. Instead of spending 4 hours writing from scratch, I'll use ChatGPT. My prompt: write a 1,000-word blog post about 5 benefits of remote work. Make it engaging and include statistics. Target audience is working professionals. And just like that, ChatGPT gives me a solid first draft in 30 seconds. Yes. Now, here is the important part. You never just copy and paste. You need to edit for accuracy, add your own insight, check facts, make it sound human, add personal examples. Think of ChatGPT as your writing assistant, not your replacement. It does 70% of the work. You do the final 30% to make it great. Where do you find clients? Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. Create a profile. Offer blog writing services. Start with competitive prices around $30 to $50 per article and use ChatGPT to deliver fast, quality work. Method number 2, social media management for small businesses. Small businesses hate managing social media. They know they need to post, but they don't have the time. That's where you come in. You can charge $300 to $1,000 per month to manage a business Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and ChatGPT makes this ridiculously easy. Let's say you are managing social media for a local gym. You need to create 5 posts for this week. My prompt: create 5 engaging Instagram captions for a gym. Include motivational quotes, workout tips, and a call to action. Make them casual and fun. Boom! 5 captions ready in seconds. You can also ask ChatGPT for posting scheduling strategy, hashtag ideas, content calendar template, response template for comments. Method number 3, creating and selling digital products. This is my favorite because it's passive income. Digital products are things like ebooks, guides, templates, checklists, workbooks, anything people can download. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over. Let's say you want to create a guide called the Ultimate Budget Meal Prep Guide for Busy Professionals. I'd ask ChatGPT, create a detailed outline for a 20-page meal prep guide for busy professionals. Include introduction, shopping list, 15 easy recipes, and meal planning tips. ChatGPT gives me the entire structure. Then I can ask it to write each section, generate recipes, create shopping lists, everything. Once you have the content, use Canvas to design it nicely. Export as PDF and sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, your own website, social media. This sells anywhere from $5 to $50 depending on value. If you sell just 20 copies at $10 each, that's $200 for something you created once. Method 4, writing video scripts for YouTube creators. YouTubers need scripts, whether it's educational content, product reviews, or vlogs. A good script makes or breaks a video, and they'll pay $50 to $300 per script. Prompt: write a 10-minute YouTube script about 5 best budget smartphones in 2026. Include hook, intro, detailed review of each phone, and call to action. Make it engaging and conversational. Even if you've never written a script before, ChatGPT can help. Let me show you. ChatGPT writes the entire script with timestamps, transitions, and even suggests where to add B-roll. All you do is polish it and deliver. Where to find YouTubers who need scripts? Comment on smaller channels, 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers, offering script writing services. Reach out on Twitter or post on Reddit or YouTubers. Fun fact: the script for this video, I used ChatGPT to help outline it. That's how meta we're getting. Last method, email marketing services. Every business needs email marketing. Welcome sequences, promotional emails, newsletter. It's how they make sales. But most business owners suck at writing emails. You can charge $100 to $500 per email sequence, and ChatGPT makes this super easy. Let's create a welcome email sequence for an online fitness coach. Prompt: write a 3-email welcome sequence for a fitness coach's new subscribers. Email 1, introduction and free workout guide. Email 2, success story and motivation. Email 3, offer for paid program. Make it warm and personal. ChatGPT gives you 3 complete emails ready to customize. You just personalize them with the client brand voice and you're done. Reach out to online coaches, consultants, and small business owners. Most of them know they need email marketing but have no idea how to do it. Okay, so you've got 5 methods, but which one should you start with? Here's my advice. If you're a good writer, start with freelance writing. If you're creative and visual, social media management. If you want passive income, digital product. If you love video, YouTube script writing. If you like sales, marketing, email marketing. Pick one. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Master one. Make your first $100, then expand. Look, ChatGPT isn't magic. It won't make you rich overnight, but it is a tool that can 10 times your productivity and help you offer valuable services people are willing to pay for. Here's my challenge. Pick one method from this video. Sign up for ChatGPT if you haven't already and spend the next 3 days learning how to use it for that method. Then go find your first client. Drop a comment and tell me which method you are going to try first. And if you want more tutorials like this about tech, money making online, and staying healthy while building your online career, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Let's get it.